So hello everyone, today we'll be starting with our average one-liners. So the first question is on your screen, you may solve it out. Hope so you have solved the question. So here is the answer. So first of all, let us see what does arithmetic mean. So the formula for this is equals to sum of total money upon number of people. So total sum money we have to find. So it is over here like this: 1132 plus 1140 plus 1144 plus 1136 plus 1148. And how many person? There are 5 people. Okay, so now if when we'll do the total, we'll get the answer 5700.5. So if we'll cancel out, we'll get the value 1140. So the arithmetic is 1140. Here is the answer. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So now let's solve the question. So in this question, let's take the age of class teacher as x. The age of class teacher equals to x. So now solve it. So the average age of 30 students is 30. So let's take 30 into 30. Then there is class teacher. We'll add class teacher's age on. There will be 31 because 30 students and one class teacher. So it will become 31. So now let's see that the average is 30. But there is an increase of 1 year when we have taken the age of teacher. So it will become plus 1. So now let's solve. So it will become 900 plus x upon 31 equals to 31. Okay, so now let's solve it. 900 plus x is equals to 31 into 31. It will become 961. So the value of x will become 961 minus 900. So x will come 61. So the age of class teacher is 61 years. Hope so your answer was correct. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So now let's solve the question. So over here, average marks. So for in this we'll use formula as marks obtained upon total marks. So now let's solve. Over here marks obtained is 40 out of 50. So 40 plus 70 out of 100. So 70 plus 142 out of 150. So 142 upon total marks. 40 out of 50. So total marks will be 50 plus 70 out of 100. So total marks will be 100. And this 142 out of 150. So 150. So now let's solve. So when we'll do the total of this, you will get 252 and over here you will get 300. And now let's see, we have to find the percentage. So we'll take this 252 upon 300. Why? So total marks obtained upon total marks into 100 for percentage. So now when we'll solve it all for percent. Okay. So now when we'll solve it out, you will get the value as 84%. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So the solution for this question is over here. So average weight of 5 officers will be average weight equals to 5 into 42. Okay. So we'll get the value as 210 kg. So now when we have replaced one senior officer by new officer, so the average is increased by 500 gram. So let's convert 500 gram into kg. So how will become? So 1 gram equals to 0.001 kg. So 500 gram equals to 500 into 0.001. So you'll get the value 0.5. Okay, so now if we'll find the new average, you can see we have replaced a senior, but we have not decreased the value. So it will become 5 into 42.5. Why 42.5? Because already the average is 42 and now there is an increase of 0.5. So 42.5. So you'll get the value as 212.5. So over here we have to find the weight of new officer, but it cannot be found. Why? Because we have not been given the weight of senior officer. So what you can write it over here as cannot be determined. So the next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. So in this question, let's take the ratios as 3x, 4x and 5x. Okay, so now if we'll add it, we'll get like this. Plus 3 5x upon 3 equals to 12x. How? Because we have been given the ages ratio as this, and how many children? There are 3 children and the average is this. So now let's first find the value of x. So we'll get like this. If you will solve it out, you'll get 36. Then if we'll calculate it, you'll get 12x equals to 36. Now the value of x is 3 years. So now we'll find it. 3 into 3 equals to 9, 4 into 3 equals to 12, then 5 into 3 equals to 15. Okay, now let's see that we have to find the average age of youngest and eldest child. So you can see the youngest is this, so it will come 9 plus the senior is this upon 2. How this? Because you know the average formula. So when we'll add it, you'll get 24 upon 2. So the average will come 12 years. The next question is on your screen. You may solve it out. Let's solve it, the question solution. So the average for 10 innings is 32. So average for 10 innings will be 32 into 10. So we'll get the value 320. Okay, so now the innings for next. So means average for 11 innings, you will see it will come 11 into. See, the average runs is increased by 4. So 4 plus this. So it will become 36. Okay, because it has been increased by 4. So 11 into 36. So you will get the value as 396. So now we have to find how many innings should be increased. So when we'll minus this, you will get. So you will solve it. 396 minus 320, it will become 76. So they have to make this much. Hope so the video was helpful. Thank you everyone. Please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel.